previously open becomes closed. So here's an example of one single accordion module with various different toggle content added. So if I choose the plus icon here, it's going to open up this set of content and close the other one, and so on. And you can open up each one by clicking it. And what this does is kind of a consolidate space. So a great way to use the accordion modules for like an FAQ page. If you have a bunch of FAQs, for example, that's how it's used here. These are kind of questions, and you can open up each one to see the answer, and it saves space and it just looks nice. So that's basically what the accordion module is. And so now I'm going to dive into the settings and show you how to configure this module. So first thing I'm going to do is create a new page. I'm going to choose to use the Divi builder. I'm going to click the insert columns to insert a column. I'm going to use a one column here, and then I'm going to click the insert modules button and find the accordion module. So here's the accordion module. I'm going to click that, and this will bring up the accordion module settings. Now, as with every Divi module, the settings are broken up into 3 tabs: General Settings, Advanced Design Settings, and Custom CSS. As a general philosophy, everything you need to configure the module and create an amazing page can be found within the General Settings tab right here. But if you want to get a little more advanced and really have full control over the design of the module, then you can dive into the Advanced Design Settings, which has all kinds of great settings, such as custom colors and fonts and font sizes, font weights, line heights, all that great stuff. You have full control here. But for now, we're just going to focus on the general settings. We have another tutorial for Advanced Design Settings and Custom CSS if you'd like to check that out. So here in the general settings, we have our basic settings. And at the bottom here, we have 3 buttons, which is saving. Here you can save the module once you've configured it. In the center here, you have a preview icon that can be clicked at any time to get a preview of the module as you configure it. And here you can save to the Divi library to use the module in the future if you so choose. So with the accordion module, before we can configure the module, we first have to add our first content toggle. And I'm going to do that by clicking the Add New Item button here. And then you'll be able to configure the 2 pieces of content, which is the title and then the content. The title is the link that is clicked, and the content is what's shown in the box once you click that title. So we might say, like, what is your refund policy? And then whatever our refund policy is, we might paste that into the content block here. And so we've created our first question in the FAQ and added our first answer and save. And then you can see the first item's been added here. And then we can add our next item. How about where are you located? Paste in the answer, save. And so now we have 2 items in our accordion. And like I said, you can click the preview icon here to get a preview of what we've created so far. And here it is. What is the refund policy question? Where are you located? And you can click to open either of these. When you're in the preview mode, you can also toggle between our different responsive design testing tabs to see what your module looks like at various screen sizes. And so I'm happy with this module, so I can save and exit. And then publish the page, and then we can take a look at our page in the front end, and you can see that accordion module has been added. And so this would be great for a contact us page, for example. So maybe I'll add a new row and add a contact module. Place that above the accordion. You'll go into the accordion here and add some new questions. I'm just going to duplicate them for now, just to give you the effect of a 4 toggle accordion. And then we can head back to our page here. You can see we have like a basic kind of about us contact page of a contact form and a bunch of accordion toggles here that can be opened and closed by your visitors. Now, like I said, you can also dive into the advanced design settings if you want. I'm not going to go into too much detail here, but you can just customize basically everything inside of this tab here. You could let's say we want to change the toggle title font. Might want to change it to one of the various Google fonts we support. Maybe we'll want to make it bold and all caps. And get a preview here of what we've created. So you can get a preview and you can see the title has now been made bold in all caps. Might even want to change the background color. So we could do that as well. Maybe want to make it purple. Maybe want to change our text color to white. Get a preview of that. And you can see that's completely changed the look and feel of the toggle module, of the toggle.